Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of installation videos. In this installment, we will be installing 4 1TB SATA hard drives in the Otherworld Computing Mercury Elite Pro Qx2 RAID. We have already powered down, unplugged, and placed our Qx2 on a soft static-free workspace. We are ready to begin. The first step is to open the Qx2. To do so, insert the key into the lock, turn to the right, and the front door will pop open. Now lift the front door up and out. There are 4 drive bays on the Qx2, labeled A, B, C, and D. Loosen the locking screws by turning counterclockwise on each drive bay. Now pull each drive tray straight out. To install our hard drive in the drive tray, we first need to remove these 2 Phillips screws to remove the plastic retaining clip. The clip will not be reused and is only there for shipping purposes. Place the hard drive in the tray so that the locking screw is to the right, and the hard drive's SATA connectors are facing the opposite direction with the top of the hard drive facing up. The 2 holes in the tray and the 2 holes in the hard drive should line up on both sides. Now secure the drive to the tray using 4 Phillips screws, 2 on each side. Repeat this process for all 4 hard drives and trays. Now slide each hard drive and tray in alphabetical order back into the Qx2. Once all the hard drives are seated, turn the locking screws to the right to secure the drive trays. And finally, line up the front door pins with the notches in the case and slide the door into place. Now close the door and lock it with your key.